So in order to start editing picture using Adobe Photoshop Express, what you can also do is you can import out image directly from your connected camera source. So to do that over here, once you open up Adobe Photoshop Express, you can see that it says select an image source to start editing. So what you can simply do is click on camera right here. So once you go around onto camera, then you can see that it finds the image source that you're connected to right here, and you can go around and then let's say for example like change the composition right here. So I'm connected to my camera, and you can simply go around and take a photo right here just like this. Once you're happy with the photo that you have right here, you can simply go around and press accept, and then you have the photo taken from your camera. And now you can simply go around and then change it out according to how you want and start editing out right here. So that is how you can open or you can open images by directly capturing it from your connected camera inside of Adobe Photoshop Express. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.